Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best NVIDIA application settings for gaming performance, which is going to be max FPS and optimization. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your NVIDIA control panel, and the simplest way in order to make the biggest changes is by editing out the first setting right here, which is going to be adjusting the image setting with preview. So as you can see right here, it's semi-pixelated when we go ahead and set this into performance. Now, since we want the best FPS for our games, you then want to simply click on the use my preference, emphasizing, and then you want to drag the slider all the way to the performance option, giving you the best results for FPS. From there, you then want to simply click on the manage 3D settings, and then you want to copy all of the settings that we have right here. For image scaling, we have off, 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 on, off, and all of these settings right here. Now, of course, all of these settings will not go ahead and work for you because we have different system configs. So you can just edit this out the way you want to, or if you need something changed, you then want to go ahead and edit those out. Now, from there, you can then go ahead and simply navigate through the change resolution. If you're still having problems, you could try lowering down resolutions, enabling our graphics card to render less frames or less pixels, enabling us to get more frames out of our games. So as of the moment, it's rendering a lot of frames because we are using 1080p resolution. You can maybe try lowering it down into something like a stretch resolution or even 720p to get the most out of it. Now from there, there's not much settings that we can go ahead and edit right here, but basically that's everything you need to know in order to get the best results for FPS and optimization for your NVIDIA application. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.